To help you achieve the best results from your Taipan Hydrolock crimping machines, we've put together the following short instructional video on how to use the H32, H50 and H50-46 dial vernier crimpers. To begin, start by removing the transportation plug. Insert the breather provider, as this stops oil spilling during transportation. Install the dial vernier by screwing into place. Depending on the power supply of your machine, connect to the correct energy source. If you have purchased the quick change tool, plug this into the power box. Select the correct crimp die size by using your crimp specification and die swage chart. Ensure the ferrule diameter meets within these guidelines. If you are using the quick change tool, the correct way to use this is by inserting the pins into the die holes. Before you insert the dies into the machine, ensure the dial vernier is set to the number represented on the quick change tool. Correctly placing the dies in the crimper is important so no damage is done. For more information on how to do this, please watch our basic servicing, calibration and troubleshooting video. To set crimp specification, start by setting the dial vernier to 0. Adjust the dial vernier clockwise to complete the remaining crimp specification. Insert the hose into the rear of the crimper head. By holding the green button down, the die carriers will begin to close. Before the dies touch the ferrule, ensure the hose tail is in the correct position to be crimped. Ensure when applying pressure to the outside of the ferrule, this is done in one fluid motion to avoid tripping the machine. Once the crimp is finalised, press the red button to release. Check to ensure the crimp diameter meets the crimp specification. Once you are finished with the machine, ensure it is left in a released position to minimise the creation of head memory. When putting down the quick change tool, ensure you do not place it on a metal surface face down, as this can result in major damage. Turn off and place in the holder provided. We hope this helps. For more information on any of our crimping machinery, give one of our friendly team a call on 1300 654 782.